Okay guys, today is January 11th. I finally went to the machine shop to pick up the Sentra block. I know a lot of you guys have been asking where's the Sentra. It's still down and I still need quite some money to get that project going. But here it is. If you guys remember in the last video, the crank was stuck. So I had to take it to the machine shop that put the motor together for me. If you're local to Tucson, Arizona, don't use Larry's machine shop. Just don't. They claim that they never pull off the trigger wheels, and if they did, they would have Loctite it. But they were the ones that reassembled my motor. So it is what it is. They didn't do anything for me, so the hell with them. But everything's good though. It all got checked out. Obviously, will need new bearings. If you guys remember, the bearings were pretty worked. Okay, new bearings. Honestly, if I were to put this motor together, I'd probably reuse the piston rings. They have less than 1,000 miles on them. The block's all good, so everything's good here. The bottom of the motor's good. I'll flip it right now, but it's good. It's available. It's for sale. I just posted it on the B15 pages. I want to get rid of it. I really want to do a VQ swap. I'm over this motor. It kind of sucks because I technically have everything here to put it back together, but I did sell my intake manifold and I did sell the built head that I had. So at this point, I want to start fresh with this car. I still have to go over everything in here that's for sale. So I still gotta do that. There goes my empty engine bay. But yeah guys, so the built block is for sale. Hopefully I can find somebody that wants to purchase it so I could keep moving on with my other projects. But first let me shut this down and let me flip the block over real quick for you guys. Alright, there it is guys. So everything's good. Hopefully I can find a buyer. I do want to get rid of this. I do want this to get into someone's hands that can rebuild it. I'll keep the studs in there, the head studs, the ARP head studs. I'll send that with the block also. They are reusable, but if you just get some bearings, you could slap this beast back together. And I have the girdle still and a bunch of other stuff, timing cover. So I don't know guys, I hope to find a buyer for that. I want to just get this completely out of the garage, because I'll be sitting on this for a while probably until I find a buyer. But if you guys know anyone that's interested in buying a built block, let me know. Everything's here for it. Like I said, K1 rods, Arias pistons. These are the only Arias pistons that I know of that have been made for the QR25. So this is like one of a kind pistons, and they're great. I think it was 9-to-1 compression. But yeah guys, help me find a buyer so I can get this out and get this to somebody who needs it. And other than that, don't forget, like, subscribe, share the video, help me find someone to buy it, and hopefully soon we can get this car going. But it's going to be a little bit guys. I still got to buy everything for it. All I have is the motor mounts. But yeah guys, that's it. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, share the video.